Welcome back everyone to our channel. So today we'll be working on the Excel worksheet. So previously in our last video, finding your way around Excel, we talked about once you open your Excel file, this is how it looks like. You see like templates and you also see your pre-saved files. These are the pre-saved files here. So now we open our blank workbook, our worksheet, and these are cells, and the cells are intersection between the column and row. So before we begin, if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. So let's begin. Today we'll be talking about how to input data into our Excel worksheet. So we're going to create like a fake data set, like just a fake data set, to teach you how to input into your Excel worksheet. So for instance, let's say we have we click on any cell. So now we clicked on A3. Can you see in our name box it's showing A3? The last time I said this is our name box, this is our formula bar. So once you hit the cell, you just a one click, just a one click. Then for you to input into our data, you double click inside that cell. You can see our cursor blinking. That means it is active for you to input data. So let's say we want to input like a sales data set into our worksheet. So let's say salesperson, you type on your keyboard, salesperson, you press your tab key. So to move to the right. So once I press the tab, it moves to the right to the second cell B. So we have salesperson, let's say quantity, press your tab again, quantity, unit price, you press your tab, it moves. So as you're pressing your tab, it moves to the right. And let's give this total price. So this is how to input into your Excel workbook. So once I press enter, it goes back to our where we started under the cell. That is under cell A1. Can you see once we press our enter, it moves under the cell A1 and goes to A2. So that is how our tab and the enter key works. So let's just give, like I said, we're creating like a fake data set. So let's list give names of salesperson. So the insert head to this left part of the salesperson, but we don't want it at the back of the salesperson. We want it in between the salesperson and the quantity. So once we click here, right click, I will see insert. So it brings it to the middle, an empty column to the middle. So this one will delete it. So now we're going to put our products here. So let's say we have big pen. So these are the unit price of each item. So for us to get the total price, how do we calculate the total price? The total price will be the unit price times the quantity sold. So for us to be able to get that, we'll go in with our equal sign first. Any formula you want to put in into your worksheet, you have to input the formula, the equals to sign first before your formula. So let's go. This our quantity times our unit price will give us the total price sold. So once we hit enter, it gives us the total price. So once we use our fill and do, automatically see the total price of each item. So if you're new to Excel, I hope this really helps. This is how to input any data into your spreadsheet. So as you can see that salesperson is not really obvious. The columns are interwoven into each other. So for us to make it fit the column, you press Ctrl A, automatically auto fits the columns. So if we want to get the total price of all these, that is the sum of the total price. The sum of the total price. You can just easily Once we click the easily select this of equals to give us the total price. So that's just a shortcut on how to do the auto sum. So I hope this helps, and I hope you gained from this short video. So we use this highlight to highlight anything you want. It's just a simple edit. So if you want to highlight this with a column, you can use a different color. So so if they say let's get the maximum price. Let's put our max here because max is a just one number. So we input, like I said, we input our equals to sign, then with our formula max, then we select. So the maximum from our total price is 4486. So that means the salesperson Dan was the person that was able to sell the highest. So our minimum, so we're trying to get the minimum total price, the maximum total price. So the minimum is 1320. So that's the minimum. That's how to check for max, min, and all of that. So let's check for the average. 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 So our average total price is this. So that is how to calculate for max, min, median, mean, and average. So if you've gotten to this stage of our video, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more Excel tips. So as we go further, we'll be looking at how to make use of all these functions in our ribbon and our tabs. So see you in our next video. Bye for now.